Hello viewers, I am Dr. Abhijit Agashe from Manipal Hospital Baner. I work here as a chief joint replacement surgeon. Today we will be talking about robotic hip replacement. So what is a robotic hip replacement? Many of the patients, or particularly the elderlies, feel a robo is something that you see in the sci-fi movies or the Hollywood movies, a humanoid robo who walks like a robo and comes to the theatre. No, it is not so. It is a machine which is kept into the theatre, and your own surgeon uses the machine to get your hip into its normal position. So how the robo works? Now we have two technologies in robotics. First is called as an image based technology and the second is called as an imageless technology. In an image based technology, you need to get a CT scan of your hip and feed that CT scan to the robot. The robo will calculate a few angles on the CT scan, and after that the robo will help you to get your hip into the perfect desired position. So how the robotic helps? The robotic gives the surgeon an additional advantage of knowing a 3D anatomy of the hip previous to the surgery. It also helps in planning the perfect sizing, perfect inclination or version, that means how the hip should be fitted. The other technology is called as an imageless technology, where in imageless technology the surgeon feeds the information to the robo depending on your x-ray, and there will be a few intraoperatively during surgery some important points to be noted onto the robo. Once that is done, the ultimate outcome is the same whether you are using an imageless technology or image based technology. Now when I am using a robotic, the robo will determine, or the robo will tell me how much depth of bone should I go in, what is the size that the implant is going to fit in, and the most important is the leg length. So post robotic hip replacement, the legs would be back to their normalcy or the normal length, and the patient will not have any leg length discrepancy, or there will be no shortening or lengthening of the involved leg. If you want to know more about robotic hip replacements, I request you to contact us on the given numbers. Thank you.